Hello parents! Today I'm going to show you how to boost your toddler's nutrition with a delicious green smoothie. Let's dive right into the Green Power Toddler Smoothie. First up, let's talk about plant-based calcium. We're using 1 cup of calcium fortified plant-based milk. Almond, soy, or oat milk all work great. And we're adding 1.5 cups of dark leafy greens like spinach or kale. These greens are not only packed with calcium, but also super nutritious. Next, let's get some protein in there. We'll add 2 tablespoons of nut butter. Almond or peanut butter are perfect choices, but make sure there are no allergies. Plus, 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds. These little seeds are a powerhouse of protein. Now, time for some natural sweetness and extra nutrients. Toss in 1.5 frozen bananas for that creamy texture, and 1 cup of frozen berries, blueberries, strawberries, or a mix. Yum! Optional add-ins? Sure, you can throw in 1 tablespoon of chia seeds for added fiber and omega-3, and 1/4 avocado for healthy fats and extra creaminess. Now let's blend it all up. Combine all your ingredients in a high-powered blender. Blend until it's completely smooth and creamy. Too thick? Add more plant-based milk. Too thin? Add more frozen fruit. Serve it up in a toddler-friendly cup and watch your little one enjoy. Remember, this smoothie is packed with essential nutrients: calcium, protein, healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Be mindful of potential allergies. Ensure the smoothie is smooth to avoid choking hazards, and keep portions small. Rotate fruits and greens to keep it interesting and nutritious. That's it! A nutrient-packed, delicious green smoothie for your toddler. Please share this video and subscribe. Thank you. An estimated nutritional breakdown is in the description. Give it a try and see how much they love it. Thanks for watching, and happy blending. The information is based on general knowledge and may not be applicable to your specific situation. Dietary needs and health conditions vary from person to person. It is essential to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the appropriate dietary recommendations and treatment plan for your individual needs.